Hello, welcome back again to Crypto Hasi channel. For today's video, we'll talk about Black Vault. So, redefining the digital finance through decentralization. So, this is my channel, guys. By the way, you can subscribe and earn more cryptocurrency in online, guys. Okay, this is my channel, The Crypto Hasi. Subscribe and learn more about Web3, Web4, and cryptocurrency. For today's video, we'll talk about this Black Vault. So, this is the Telegram site, guys, or the Telegram group, no? So next listing announcement, trading June 2, 2025. Ayan, ito yung pinaka-announcement. 71,428 BVT token will be airdrop, guys, no? So big news for us, sabi nila. Ayan, and then ito yung pinaka-website, no? So redefining digital finance through decentralized or decentralization. So Black Vault is a next generation decentralization crypto platform that empowers individuals with full control over the digital assets. So build and blockchain technology, our ecosystem eliminates intermediaries, ensuring transparency, security, and peer-to-peer autonomy. Okay, so about the company, so the company is a Black Vault, is a decentralized crypto platform revolutionizing digital finance through blockchain technology. So empower user with ensure transparent and autonomous control over their assets. So driven by smart contract and community governance, Black Vault eliminate intermediaries and offers innovative earning opportunities, promoting financial freedom and inclusion for a global user base. Okay, so Black Vault combines advanced blockchain technology with a user-focused ecosystem to create a seamless, trustless financial experience with smart contracts. So ensuring fairness and automation and a tiered reward system, encouraging growth, Black Vault stands at the forefront of decentralized innovation, empower individuals to invest, earn, and interact without relying on centralized system. So the key features of this, guys, so the decentralization, BVT token operates on the centralized blockchain network, ensuring transparency, security, and immutability. So use cases of BVT token, daily transaction, e-commerce, peer-to-peer transaction, and remittance. So token supplies, economics, so token name, so Black Vault. Token symbol is BVT. Total supply is Black Vault. And then the utility of the token, governance, staking, rewards, payment, and methods, etc. No? So from January 2026 to January mid-2028 is the BVT token various exchange to enable buying, selling, and trading. So April 2024, software development kit, begin development of the BVT. So ito yun ngayon, guys, no? So token blockchain. So frequently asked question. And then dito sa Twitter nila, may kita natin dito. So paki-follow na lang din itong Black Vault Twitter natin. So Black Vault token maximum supply 1 billion world best cryptocurrency. Ayan. So MEX listing na sila. Malapit na sila ma-list dito sa ating MEX. Ayan, guys. Tignan natin. New MEX Kickstarter BVT at BVault. Ayan. Trading on June 2. And then read more natin to. Okay, let's check yung message ng MEX. Ayan. Initial listing MEX Kickstarter vote. Black Vault. Ayan. To win free 71,420 BVT airdrops. Ayan. Presenting the project for decision of Kickstart Black Vault BVT. About Black Vault BVT. Ayan. Nandito na rin. How to participate in Kickstarter. User can commit MX tokens to participate in the event and win free airdrops. So the maximum quantity of MX you can commit depends on the MX balance in your spot wallet. At the snapshot time, MXC will take snapshot of user MX holdings at random time during the snapshot period. So participation, eligibility, make sure your account has to complete at least future trade, any amount, any trading pair, and hold minimum of 25 MX for 24 consecutive hours before May 31, 2025. And vote period is June 1, okay? Trading in June 2, deposit and open, withdrawals June 3. Okay, so voting, ayan, so airdrop details, okay, requirements, ayan. Okay, this is the level account, guys. So hold 25 MX, V2, so invite 1 valid user up to V7 and invite 6 valid user. Okay, so ito yung ating MEX, guys. Ayan, yung airdrop ng BVT natin mismo. So again guys, ito yung pinaka group no ng ating Black Vault. Okay? So pwede tayong pumunta dun sa pinaka-announcement nila. So check din natin guys. Ayan. So next announcement guys. Ayan o. So pwede nyo i-click yan. Okay. So dito naman sa next listing, okay, na-tweet na sila. Ayan, initial, blockchain, and then syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa ating channel, The Crypto Hasi guys. Okay. Ito nga pala yung ating Black Vault. Ayan, guys. So, yun lang importanteng dapat malaman nyo, no? Yung airdrop ng ating BBT. Ayan. Okay, so ito naman siya, roadmap contact services. Okay, ng ating Black Vault. Ayan. So, our service, no? So, enable seamless communication and collaboration with participants, allowing document sharing, group discussion, and instant messaging. There are many variations of passage of lorem ipsum available, but the majority have suffered alteration in some form. So track and analyze participant engagement with powerful tools to generate detailed reports and insight, helping you optimize future events and activities. Okay, so yun lang yung dapat nyo malaman about dito sa ating Black Vault, yung listing ng kanilang token sa MXM or MEXC, okay, na platform. Ayan, and then 71,428 BBT airdrops ang pwede nyong makuha dun guys. So nakasabi ko naman sa inyo, ilalagay ko na lang sa description down below itong mga requirement on how to participate on the airdrop guys. So again, maraming salamat, Crypto Hasi, bye bye.